Denton flicks it. Plante stealing it, centering it out in front. May into the side of Sharon, and Denton pull. Stood up right at the Buffalo line. Plante back to May. Rake wide open to Donald Audette. Coming in. Scores! Finally, Buffalo breaking the 1-1 tie. And Donald Audette with his 25th of the season.
The big play by Audette. Watch how he takes this pass. This is a difficult pass to control as it's behind him. He brings it forward, and he has terrific quick hands, and he beats Pupa. The best part of that goal was Audette's ability to control the puck and get the shot away. Look at that. That was a beautiful replay and a great shot just inside the goalpost. Donald Audette gives Buffalo a 2-1 lead.